Right now, any political party controlling the House, Senate, and White House can change the size of the Supreme Court. Not with a constitutional amendment, not with a 2/3 majority, but by a simple majority vote. And today, there is no actual law stopping them. The number of justices isn't in the Constitution. It's set by an ordinary law. That means a few majority votes can rewrite it. And the only thing keeping it at 9 is a norm. And norms, unlike constitutional amendments, exist only until someone decides they don't. And why would a party do this? If you control the court, you control the law. Now, this feature of the system isn't new. It's been around since the beginning of the Republic. Originally, adding justices didn't matter much because the court had very little power. But then came Marbury v. Madison. The court established judicial review, giving itself the power to strike down laws passed by Congress if they're unconstitutional. So overnight, the court became the ultimate legal authority, but the way to change its size was never updated. The number of justices on the court has changed multiple times throughout American history, though not since 1869. So the question is, could it change today? And what would actually stand in the way of that happening? First, you need a simple majority in the House to pass a law. Easy enough. Then, in the Senate, you run into the filibuster. The filibuster allows a minority of 41 senators to essentially block any vote. But it's not a law, it's just a rule in the Senate. And the filibuster can be easily rewritten using something called the nuclear option, a simple majority vote to bypass it. It's been done before, though never to change the court's size. So getting rid of the filibuster to do that isn't a legal impossibility. It just takes a party willing to try it. Now, doing so wouldn't be without political risk. The last president to seriously try expanding the court was Franklin Roosevelt in 1937. The backlash over his perceived power grab was severe enough that he dropped the plan within months, and the number 9 has held ever since. Not because the Constitution requires it, but because Congress has chosen to leave it there. This isn't to say that 9 is sacred or that anyone proposing a change is acting in bad faith.